Hello everybody, this is Esther Molina and I'm going to play today with the kits of washi tape and stickers of Sticky Kit for August. So I already did an unboxing video live on Instagram. I hope you watch it, but let's review very quickly. These are flake stickers, coffee types. This is also coffee and some sandwiches, washi tape stickers, really cute. And these stickers are like outdoors or holidays, like summer days or something like that. These are like photos and they are like glossy paper, really nice. And then we got a set of three sheets of stickers that they are plastic, very sturdy, waterproof, really beautiful, that are perfect to make a bullet journal. We can talk about that later. And these washi tape stickers, these are circles, dates and months, came with these two washi tapes. This one is a roll with the names of the weekdays, and these are the numbers. This is pre-cut on here, so very easy to break, to build your calendar in any notebook you like and start the week at the right day with this set. Really nice. Of course, if the size is too big for you, you can cut it smaller to make the squares, monthly squares, smaller. Okay, and this washi tape is from BGM. I'm a huge fan of this brand, and these are rainbow check boxes. Yes. And the last washi tape, this is really adorable. These are kids, babies, no, not babies, like toddlers maybe, but I don't know. I don't know their age. With stationery items. This is really adorable. And sorry, I just forgot to review these stickers. These are tags, plastic tags, really cool colors. And these other stickers are dogs. These are French bulldogs maybe. And they are perfect for diary because some of them are like birthday or work, study, like coffee date, party, but you can use them just for decoration. Of course, they are really hilarious. Okay, so today I'm not going to show you how to do some journaling and decorate with that. We are going to do something different. Today we are going to do a card. I'm going to make a card for a friend, and what I'm going to use today is some postcard. This one, I like this one, is a brand, a Japanese brand. It's called Stranger de Costa Rica, and this paper is ivory white, so it's not perfectly white. I'm sorry, the lighting is so terrible. I already had to record this video 4 times. I'm not gonna repeat it. It's like it's dark in my house already. It's like you can't believe how many accidents I had today recording. So it says postcard here, space for the stamp, and so let's use this side. And I'm gonna make first this type of decoration. Okay, so it's going to be a card for like a greeting during summer holidays. So I'm gonna be using some of these. And okay, so this is so pretty. I think I'm gonna go with this too. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this here, and I'm gonna stay here on the border, but not exactly on the border because this is gonna be on the post, so I think the washi is gonna be a little bit protected if I left like half millimeter there. And I'm gonna put this on here, this one here. Okay, this one here, perfect. Okay, this is so beautiful. And something like a bicycle here is gonna be perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna have a nice pen. Okay. This is one of my favorite pen cases. I wish it to buy it for so long, more than a year or two, and I was waiting for sales and they never did sales, and finally in a shop I found it 50% off. Could not resist. So cute. So I have these very nice pens. These are from Tombow. It's a new, I don't want to say it's new because they have been around for long, but they are acid free, so they're good to use in Hobonichi paper or traveler's notebook. And they are brush type and normal marker type, but the brush doesn't have hair, you know, like some other brands like Zic or some of them, they have hair. This doesn't have. So yeah, it's like a silicone tip or something. I think it's closer to Copic, so I don't know how to say. So let's do that. Okay, I'm very bad at doing calligraphy. Something I want to learn properly. Someday in my life I'm gonna learn about that. And then with this other color, let's do some little decoration. I'm not really thinking, just I'm trying to make things a little bit cute. Okay, how about double? Double with the same color or this color? Okay, this color. Looks a little bit like sea, like waves of the sea, maybe. Ah, just to give it a little bit. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it's gonna be nice. Happy summer holidays. And wait, I need to put the sticker first, otherwise I'm gonna end up writing too big. This one that says be happy, the colors goes with the, yeah, I try to do something a little bit green, so yeah, green and blue. This one's perfect. So let's stick this one here. Oh, I cut my nails too short. Okay, here we are. Okay. Okay. And then, where are the dogs here? I think I'm gonna go for one of these. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Ah, no space for that one. The camera. It's good. The background is clear, so you can check. Yeah, I'm gonna use the camera. Kind of goes very well together. Perfect. And then let me see what we can put here. I didn't plan that before to do the video, so sorry. I just, oh, This is too big, so let's look for a different sticker. Let me see, let me see. Oh, yes, this one. So let's put this one here. Perfect. And this is just a, sorry, I'm thinking, yeah, this one. This is just a craft knife. You can use when you need to cut things just scissors or a normal cutter. This is smaller than a normal cutter. The blade is smaller, so for me it's easier to use because I'm afraid of blades and all this stuff. I cut my fingers several times when I was little doing craft, and I'm not lying, not just little. Okay, so this is so cute, but I think we need a little bit more sparkling things. So let me see. Here on the dog, if you look with attention, you have some small stars. I'm gonna use these tiny stars. Can you see them? You have like stars and some like music notes. Yes. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Yeah, la 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 la. Oh my, I just had this idea. Should we put a dog in the basket? Yes, let's put a dog in the basket. This one is gonna be here in the basket. Yes. And let's put some more stars here and there. La 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 la. A little bit more music. We need music. What's life without music? Everybody says that, but if I have to choose between music and movies, I'm gonna choose movies. Can't live without music. I can't live without music or movies, but I think movies are even more close to my heart than music. I don't know. I probably say this because it's not a real situation to have to choose between that two things. But there's so many stars and so many. Don't be afraid of using them, thinking like, oh, I'm gonna use them and then maybe someday I will need them, and then no, please don't be afraid. There's so many. So just use stickers. I know so many people collect them. That's good, but please enjoy everything you have. You know, someday you're gonna die, and nobody's gonna use everything you're been collecting. Just enjoy life. Yeah. I know people is thinking, yeah, you live in Japan, so you can get them all the time. And yeah, I know, but when I live in Spain, I used to collect all these things, and they were sitting on a drawer. And believe me, like every time I open the drawer and check everything I have, like it made me so happy just to look at them. But when you use things, happiness multiply 10 times, believe me. And sometimes you think, oh, I don't want to use this because if I make a mistake or something, I'm gonna ruin it. That's true, but you know, you can ruin it maybe 1, 2, 3 times, but when you learn to do things and you use it proper, it's so fun. Okay, what do you think? I hope you like it. This is a tiny postcard I made for a friend. I'm going to send it to her. So everything is made with sticky kit, washi tape, stickers and stickers. I hope you like it. I think the dog on the basket of the bicycle is a really cute touch. Yes. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.